Welcome to the Playtime with Twinkle Train English Club. Today, let's go to the playground. Okay, get ready. Off we go. Up and down, up and down. Playground, playground, off we go. Riding fast and riding slow, slow, slow. Climbing up the monkey bars, sliding down like shooting stars. See the swings go to and fro, to and fro, to and fro. Push me high and not too low. Good. Round we spin on the big roundabout. Let's all cheer and give a shout. Hey! Great! We're not in a hurry, don't need to worry. Don't go racing all around. We're taking it slow, no one to and fro. Try not to fall to the ground. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Ha! Safe. Playground, playground, off we go. Riding fast and riding slow. Good. Slow, slow. Climbing up the monkey bars. Sliding down like shooting stars. Yay! Good job! Great! Did you have fun?